Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Mystical Minds. Thanks for stopping in again. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I'm going to be reading an article from Danny Merton Gerard. It's called The Spiritual Evolution. You're a spiritual being on a spiritual journey. You have two beings within you at all times. One being is your inner being, or you can call it a soul or spirit. The other being is the physical body that exists within the time-space reality. Both are constantly affected by one another. Whenever you spend more time inward, you tap into the infinite intelligence, or the god or goddess inside you. You tap into this infinite intelligence by meditating, practicing mindfulness, or any type of spiritual practice that allows you to connect to the divine. Anything that quiets the mind is beneficial to your mind and body, because when you quiet your mind, you let go of distractions that prevent you from having clarity of thought. When you have clarity of thought, you can listen to your inner guidance and wisdom. Stress is created by an overactive mind in which you're obsessing over a number of stressors. You're either stressing about the past or in most cases the future. When you stop fighting the thought, you're in the present moment and you're able to access your higher consciousness. When you access your higher consciousness, you feel true joy, gratitude, and love. Because accessing your higher consciousness means connecting to the divine. The divine is joy, gratitude, love, and all the good in the world. When you operate out of the divine, you're receptive to the insights from your soul, and the ego vanishes. What does ego mean? The origin of the acronym means edging God out. When you act from your soul, being right is irrelevant because all you want to seek is love. When you act from your soul, fear vanishes because you have faith that can move worlds. When you act from your soul, you're no longer desperate for your desires because you feel as though they already manifested, or you feel such appreciation that the desire is irrelevant. That's where true freedom lies, with faith and love that cannot be shaken. This is the divinity that you are, a shell that has the most powerful energy inside you, which is God. Thank you so much, Danny G. It's so powerful. I believe this with all my heart and soul. Once I finally started practicing letting go of the ego and bringing down my vibrations and just follow love, I've become so happy. And I feel like I don't have to force things anymore. This is what I really love about this article. Just, if you do what this article says, yeah, life is easy. Just let the doors open, follow your heart, your soul, God, the universe, whatever you want to call that energy. You'll always be happy. Thank you so much again for listening this week. We're going to continue doing these articles every Monday at 7 p.m. And we've decided to change up the poems a little bit. So from now on, what we're going to do is we'll do 2 videos a week, but you're still going to get 6 poems. So every Thursday and every Saturday morning at 7 a.m. we will have a 3-poem video for you. And then every third video, we're going to put them all together, and then Danny's going to choose one of his favorites, and we're going to make a 10-poem video. So that'll be every third. But for now, we're going to keep the articles every Monday. We're going to do 2 videos a week, Thursday, Saturday, 7 a.m. And they will consist of 3 poems each. And then every third video, it's going to be 10 poems. So the 9 previous and 1 extra that Danny chooses. I hope everybody enjoys this. Oh, and we're also going to keep doing the Dr. Joseph Murphy and Neville Goddard in between our videos that we release from Danny. But yeah, thank you so much again. And I hope you have a beautiful week and a beautiful day today with all the love in the world. Thank you so much for listening and watching us all the time. And myself and Danny G, we really appreciate it. We love doing this for you. Take care.